Godrej is also a trusted name in the market. So, what is your take on the Godrej brand, and how is it delivering it to the customers out there?
It is obviously one of the very big trusted brands in India as a brand. In real estate, their journey in North India, it was primarily a company which was working in Bombay. So when they entered North India earlier, they were in the mid segment or the lower mid segment projects, जो हमने उनकी पहली deliveries देखी हैं. At that point in time, their model of working was different. They were working on collaborations where they used to do land collaborations with the landowner, etc. But abhi, in the last couple of years, their model of working in North India has completely transformed. And that is what I would attribute their today's success to this model. यहाँ पर 100% land ownership in most cases is again done by Godrej. They acquired the entire land. उसके बाद जो है the project designing etc. They have understood the North India market more now. What do the consumers here want? They are launching projects in that with that specifications and the layouts which are being required. So Godrej Zenith was a huge success which was launched I think last March. I'm talking about March 2024. And after that, Godrej has come up with 3-4 launches in Gurgaon which have done pretty well. We've seen Aristocrat, we've seen Vriksha. On near Golf Course Road, we've seen Godrej Miraya. And now the latest launch has been Godrej Astra. So I see no challenge, and I'm sure Godrej will deliver on what has been promised again.